everyone, welcome back to compilersutra. In our ongoing series on Markdown link checks, today we will create a bash script CLI that can automatically scan all your Markdown files and generate a clean report of broken links. This is useful for GitHub projects, technical blogs or internal wikis. Let's go started. Here is what our CLI will do. Recursively scan all MD files in a given directory. Run a Markdown link check CLI on each file. Save the report to linksreport.txt. So how our script will work? Our script will work in 6 steps. Step 1. Get the target directory. Use the directory passed as an argument or default to the current folder. Check if the CLI is installed. If Markdown link check is missing or it installed using npm, prepare the report file, clear or create linksreport.txt to store results, scan markdown file recursively, use find to locate every MD file. We have studied about find command in previous video, please check it. The run link checks for each markdown file, execute markdown link check and append result to the report, notify the completion, print a message used when a report is ready. So let's start and look at the script. Here dir equals to 1 used as first argument as directory default in current folder. Then command -v markdown link check, check if the CLI tool is installed or not. npm install -g markdown link check, install the tool globally using npm. Then it clears the report file if it exists. Recursively find all markdown files. Here the loop while read is for iterates over each markdown files, and markdown link check, what it is doing, it's run the link check in a quiet mode, only output errors, and we give it to the report file. It append the output to the report file. To run the CLI, we have to make it executable using chmod, and then just where all our MD file is present, all the result will be saved in linkreport.txt. We can also extend the CLI by adding a Python parser, which we will see in upcoming videos.